There you go. All right, I just get back from the notary, so this place is actually mine. We got this old barn in the front. Just gonna do a quick tour, show what the place is now. So this is the garage here, and the garage here. I don't think I'm touching this place this year, but it's just this old dirt floor. Lots of room though, so this will do for a shop for now. There's a bunch of this the previous owner stuff they're clearing out this week. So close this thing up if I can do this one hand. There we go. There's another very old shop there, just like a little tool shed, but I'll probably tear it down. So this is the house. Doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be. So we'll redo the siding, this whole back section. You can see that the soffits are just done. This is a new section that was done about 50 years ago that needs to be completely tore down. There's actually no cement. This is actually just sitting on the outside, but underneath this floor is just dirt. Like there's a floor there, but there's dirt underneath, so that made it pretty bad. And look at all the soffits, everything has to be replaced. So this part, yeah, I don't know. I guess as I tear it out, open, I'll see what I can salvage, but probably just gonna tear this whole place apart and rebuild, dig a new foundation this side. See these old windows, all needs to be torn out, replaced. The foundation's in good shape. I probably have to remove that paint because in case they haven't taken the right type of paint, it'll actually keep the cement from moving, from breathing. So this porch is gonna be gone. There's gonna be a nice wraparound porch the entire property. All right, I'll take another video when I come inside.